Hi YouTube family! So today I'm actually going to be doing my very first unboxing, and I just got back from my cousin's wedding and these were waiting here on my doorstep when we got home, which was really exciting, but I wanted to film the video with you guys so that we could actually open it up together. So this is from Lily Silk, and I've never ordered anything from them before. This was a new, I want to try it because I see a bunch of other YouTube people having it. And I'm just going to talk while I cut this open to unbox it. But they are, they're pricier because they are silk. But I really wanted to add a nice silk shirt to my collection before starting work. And I hope that this is silk blouse I'm opening up. It is. And so I ordered the Mim lace silk blouse, and Mim is Melon Melbourne. I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but it is a 2-in-1 blouse, so it has this really pretty lace detailing and pearl buttons on the collar as well as on the sleeve. Let's see if that'll focus a little better. But it also comes with a bow that you tie around the neck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this as well as the second item that I purchased on in just a second. But the price of this was $155. However, they do a sale, like they say that it's a special sale, but I see them most of the time and it's buy one shirt, get one 40% off. Plus I used Melon Melbourne's code of MIM15 off, so I got an additional 15% off. I also had bonus points where I signed up for their loyalty program, birthday points, as well as their anniversary points. And so I had 1,800 points, which every 100 points is $1 off. So I had $18 off. So in the end, when I bought this shirt, as well as the second shirt that I'm about to unbox, because I paid $157 with tax and shipping. And that was for the fully lace silk shirt that was regular $155 pre-tax. And this that I'm about to open up, which I wanted to try because I heard that it is not see-through the way that a lot of items are. It also comes in the really pretty Lily Silk box. And so it's this, this is different than how I thought it would feel. I thought it'd feel more t-shirty. So this is a silk and cotton blend t-shirt, and it's white, and supposedly it's see-through. This is not what I was expecting it to be, so this may be going back. Which will actually make my total a lot less. So this was $85 for the silk shirt, and then I also received this free gift because it was during their anniversary sale. And so it's a free silk sleep mask. And if I send this shirt back, I may have to send this back too. I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try these on for you guys, give you my reactions, and then that'll be it. Okay, so I'm back. And let me stand up so you can see it. So this is the silk t-shirt. It's very soft. It fits really well. It's very comfortable. The neck is really nice. It also has a little bit of stitching on the sleeve, which is really nice. It's very soft, very comfortable, looks really pretty on. Just not sure this is something that I'm gonna wear. But it doesn't, it's not see-through the way that a lot of white things are, which is a big concern for me because I don't want people to see through my shirts, and I don't want to have to wear a tank top under something in order for it not to be see-through. So that is this shirt. It's very nice. So if you want a lightweight, short sleeve sweater, absolutely would recommend this. It's super soft, really nice material, really well made. Just probably not necessarily for me. So let me try on the next one. Okay, so this is the 2-in-1 blouse, and the reason that it's 2-in-1 is because this bow comes off, and then the way that I've seen it worn by a lot of people on YouTube is that you undo this top button and you actually fold the collar in and undo the second button. And then it's a little bit more youthful, I think, this way, because it just has the lace here. Let me see if you can see it better. Yeah, there we go. So it just has the lace and then the really, really pearl detailing. And this is actually a little bit big in the waist. I've had to really tuck it in and pull it in the back, which for me, I feel like it's just going to come untucked during the day. But it is an awesome white. It's not see-through at all. A big thing for me is that the bust does not pull at all. So this is an extra small for reference. And I typically wear extra, extra small in things. So the extra small is just a little bit big, but the sleeve length is really good. The shoulder width is really good. This is absolutely a quality blouse. If you're normally an extra small, I highly recommend it. Or if you're just a normal regular size, I'd highly recommend it. They go all the way up to extra, extra large. So yeah, so I am going to return both these items, but I will be reordering some things from Lily Silk. There were some other things that I wanted to try that did come in extra, extra small, and I think that that'll actually probably work better for me. But if you are looking for a white silk blouse, this Mim 2-in-1 blouse is fantastic, and I just wish that it came in a smaller size. So that's all for this video. Thanks, have a good day, and if you want, leave a comment in the description of what type of video you'd like to see me do next. If you'd like to see me do more unboxings, I will try to do that, and when I reorder from Lily Silk, I'll absolutely do an unboxing of that second order. Bye!